Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters. Now today I'd like to talk about permission. And the reason I want to share this is it was inspired by a client who came to see me this morning. An amazing lady. However, what was happening is she was at a stage where she had some choices to actually step up in a part of her life or stay where she was. And she'd been influenced by other people's opinions. What are you going to do next? You should do this. Where are you going to take this business? What else are you going to do? What big goals do you have now? Blah, blah, blah. So what was happening is that she was questioning what she was doing, but she really didn't, it turned out, want to achieve any other greater goals than what she was doing. So I soon picked this up from the language that she was using. I could hear a lot of, someone said I should do this and I need to do this. Now these words are usually indicative of conflicts or obligations that we're feeling and thinking beneath the surface. So after a few simple questions, it became totally clear that she was living the life of her dreams, and it was other people's visions of what she could do, should do, could or not do, that was driving her to doubt her abilities, for some old seeds to pop up of not good enough, fear of failures, fear of successes, etc. And if we're not rock solid in living life by our values, what's really important, and our goals, it's really easy to get pulled off course, doubt where we're going. And also our brain loves to compare things. And as humans, while it's great to aspire to do certain things like other people or to embrace some of their traits and behaviors, as humans, we're all unique and we really don't want to be anyone else, because the fact is we can't. So my question for you is, are you giving yourself permission to live the life that you desire and that you truly want, and to do what is important to you? And if you're not sure, if you have any doubts and fears and you hear yourself shoulding yourself and thinking that maybe you need, ought, or should do something, that's an indicator to dig a little bit beneath the surface to see what is the blockage, what is the conflict. Now, obviously, I'm pretty adept at doing this because I work with this all the time, but if you can start to be aware of what you're thinking, and then you get clear on what's really important for you, and you make sure that your language doesn't have any shoulds and needs, you'll find it easier to make the decisions as to whether you want to stay where you are, grow, evolve, take your business to the next level, and what other opportunities there are out for you. So beware of the shoulds and needs, because they may prevent you from giving yourself permission to be you. And when you've truly given yourself permission to be you, it's like bags and weights fall off you. You can feel free, and you will act in life with a lot more flow, integrity, and you'll have more meaning and happiness. So that's the Mindset Matters today. Make sure you give yourself permission to be, do, and have exactly what is important to you, not what everyone else thinks you should do, could do, ought to do, or need to do. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset Matters.